To show the printing function, let's open the drawing from the last video that contains paper spaces insertion. The two print commands are located in the lower viewing area. You can print the entire design visible on the graphics screen, or printing defining a print window. Opening the print by window. A window is defined by 2 points. The print properties box has 3 tabs. On the first tab, the physical or logical printing device is configured, like document properties such as sheet size, A4, A3, etc., in addition to other settings. Set maximum scale button. It shows the maximum possible print scale for the active sheet. Let's click on that button. The maximum possible print scale is 1.2. With Print Preview active, we can see what the print will look like. In the second tab, you can configure the colors and thicknesses of the lines to be printed. The active option maintains the colors and thicknesses defined in the drawing. All black option prints all entities in black. Force colors option follows a configuration pattern set in the third tab. Clicking on this tab, here you can configure and save a color pattern. In the drawing environment, you must configure the colors for the thin, medium, and thick thicknesses and their subdivisions 1, 2, and 3. For the part and assembly environment, configure the other entities. Once done, save this configuration and when you want, restore them. To print according to this configuration. Returning to the second tab. Note that we can set the thickness units and apply them to the selected entities. You can also use the solid face standard according to the chosen unit. Once done, you can also save this configuration and restore them whenever you want. Let's visualize the drawing in the paper space environment. See that we have 2 sheets inserted, each one saved in a paper space group. The A3 sheet is the active group as indicated by the pencil icon. Enabling passive color visualization for passive groups. In the paper space environment, only the printing of the entire design, or in this case, of all paper spaces viewed, is available. If you only want to print a 3-sheet, disable a 4-sheet group. Or, if you want to print only the A4 sheet, activate paper space a 4-sheet group. Note that now a 3-sheet has the passive color as the A4 sheet is the active one. Disable a 3-sheet group. Clicking on Print. In paper space, the print scale is automatically set to 1:1. See the result of the print preview of the A4 sheet.